Welcome to AML in 2023. Within this course we are discussing fiat, digital assets and crypto assets, the difference between them and how they all have similarities. So within our course we are having of course online presentations like this one, self-study material where you can go through and download it by yourself, test questions in order to satisfy the SISEC circular for getting your CPDs, but also to make sure that you are acquired with necessary knowledge. And of course, we are having a certification of 5 hours of CPDs following the completion of this course. Within this course, we aim to equip you with the necessary knowledge of the AML regulatory framework, understand risks coming from fiat, digital, crypto assets, and how you can assess and mitigate them. You can be equipped with the latest developments of the AML and of course earn 5 hours of CPDs. Now, what we are covering with this course, we explain the differences between fiat, digital assets and crypto assets. What is money laundering and what is terrorist financing? The AML regulatory framework and AML updates. The Cyprus National Risk Assessment 2021, which is the latest one in relation to digital assets, crypto assets. The issues that they raise through the National Risk Assessment and improvements that have to be made. We further continue with assessing and managing risks on a risk-based approach and the risk scoring. Now, we are going further deeper to the course to understand customer due diligence, how you can exercise, know your customer, know your transaction, and know your wallet, as we have more than fiat currencies now. So before we used to say, I need to do a KYC. Now you have to do KYT and you have to do KYW when you are having and dealing with cryptos. We further discuss suspicious transaction reports. We give a lot of examples on cryptos. Discussing what is a fiat currency, digital assets, and the crypto assets. This is the beginning and the definitions are required. Within this section, we are discussing and answering the questions of what is a fiat currency, what is a digital asset, what is a crypto asset, and you will understand what are the differences between them. And of course, we are going to discuss what is a crypto asset service provider. What is a fiat currency? Is the actual printed money that we are all used to. Is a lawfully established currency, which is introduced under the central bank's legislations and under the Central Bank of Cyprus law, which is the 138/2002, by the European Central Bank, by virtue of powers conferred by the ECB, or by any other country authority which has legal authority to issue banknotes or coins. EU directives. We have the EU directive issued in 2015 on the prevention of the use of the financial system of the purposes of money laundering and terrorist financing, the AML Directive 4. The AMLD 5, which came into force in 2018, and it is transposed into national law by 2021. The 2018 directive, which was supposed to be called AMLD 6, which is partially transposed into national legislation number 22 in 2021. And we have also the proposed directive, which will be eventually be the AMLD 6. And now AMLD 6 is repealing AML 4 and the amended directive of AMLD 5. So, the groundbreaking here is that until today, we have AML 4 and AML 5 being together, because AML 5 is the amendment provides an update, but does not repeal the AML4. AML6 will repeal both of them, 4 and 5, and will be the enhancement. Wallet identification now. We have to check the wallet addresses, an account number which custody is assured by the CASP, or an alphanumeric code for a wallet on blockchain. This is secured. Custom a wallet provider, an entity that provides services to safeguard the cryptographic keys on behalf of customers to hold, store, and transfer virtual currencies. Okay, so the wallet itself, it's approved, let's say, by this custodian. Hot wallets, what we mean by that? Software wallets which may be installed on a computer, mobile phone, or run in the cloud. And the cold wallets are hardware wallets now in the form of physical storage device, USB storing facilities. So this is cold. On the transaction monitoring, we have some examples here from practical actual examples from clients of us. Counterparties overview of a specific transaction, and in this case here we have a client where we have the specific address shown in the transaction monitoring site. We have the specific counterparty and how input and the output, where this is split into the different tabs. Now,